Hello friends, my name is Radia. Today we're going to learn how to make radio button in HTML. So first you open VS Code and open your folder. So after that we will write DOC and we will name it radio buttons in HTML. So first we're going to write a H1, which is going to say radio buttons in HTML. So now I'm going to write select. So we're going to write a label for SYA and we're going to write select your age. Then we're going to add in BR and we're going to add input and we're going to say radio. We don't need the name, but we don't need the name or the ID. We'll just write input type radio. So we're going to write label for, we're going to say like LT, and then we're going to write lower than 18, and then we're going to copy these and then paste them, and this time we're going to write IP, which is going to say 18 plus so now when we save it and then we press copy the path and then we will paste it, we'll see this. And there are also some buttons you can press, but you have to reload it before you can see this. So now we're going to write 2 BRs. Actually, we're going to write 3. We'll add one more here. We're going to write label. And then we're going to set it to SYC, which is going to be select your career. Then we're going to write a BR 2 times. So we're going to write input and we'll set it to radio. We'll delete all of these. So after you've deleted them, we'll write label. We're going to set it to A, which is art. Now we're going to press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V. But we have to add a BR, then press Ctrl V. And then we're going to set it to T, which is technology. And then we're going to add another BR and paste it. And this time it's going to be E, which is for engineering. And we're going to add another BR, add another one, and this time it's going to be O, which is going to be other. Now we will save it and then go to our browser and reload it. Now we'll see that there's more space, and then we see these ones. So now we'll go to our code and then write style. We're going to set it to background color, which is going to be something like this. And then we will add a space, and then we will write font size, which is going to be 29 px. So now we will save it and then we will reload it. Now we see that it's bigger, but it's maybe too big. So this time we'll set it to something like 20. Now when we reload it, see that it's smaller. So that is the end of our lesson for today. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So, bye!